Welcome to TrecoClinics.com. I'm Dr. Scott Hadley. In this video, I'll teach you the self-correction technique for lower back pain on one side of the body. Most back pain in runners is due to a small muscle in the lower back called the quadratus lumborum, which lies deep on the lateral side of the spine between the lowest rib and the crest of the pelvis. This muscle spasms because of a muscle imbalance in the legs, which has its root in a muscle in the calf. Let me explain how this problem begins. The most overworked muscle in runners is a muscle called the soleus. When the soleus tightens, one of two things can happen. Muscles will become inhibited, or other muscles will become tight. The quadratus lumborum in the spine is one of those muscles that tightens when the soleus becomes overworked. When the soleus is tight, other muscles also become tight. The vastus medialis in the thigh is one of those. So after the soleus is corrected, the vastus medialis also needs to be loosened. The reason this has to be loosened is because when the vastus medialis is tight, muscles on the side of the hip become inhibited. And when these muscles become inhibited, the lower back does not function properly. So the third muscle group that needs to be treated are the hip abductors on the side of the hip. Finally, the symptomatic muscle, the quadratus lumborum, can be treated. To roll the soleus muscle in a seated position, place the rolling pin under your calf, just above the heel.